Nirahonai surahuda gunahonai gunara. Aya. Lida. Tikdahonara hukadahudasanea. Kunakaya tunahe sausunatai kadahudahya gunara. Amen. Humans, what you expect of Hades? Actually, it's Sida. It's called Sida. We have been wondering what you call Hades is. It was Sida. Sida means back riding. Rose garden. That's what it was before. Rose garden, horse riding. Because I love to love to, to race one another. We like to race in different colors. Horse, what you call the horse racing. Oh, Dilahara humans, it's us. It's us. When we've made the world, we're racing back home. So Aya won't find out where we've been. Lucifer. Have I told you before in the other video, in the other records? It means a refiller. A refiller. Lucifer. Lucifer, you say. It means a refiller of the horse's backs. Those you are sitting on. Because at night when mother are done working, she sleep on the Enoch. The Enoch is what you call attic. Itok. Called that. Inside of the eggs. That is what it means, humans. You made your own understanding of the book. Translations are very far. Lucifer is you yourself. It's your hips. It's your thigh in your hips. You know? Right by your panties. Underneath that, on the left side, it's your thighs. Lucifer. It's your thighs, humans. That is the called pige. It's a backside. It's the backside of before your butt. Just right on the left, right in the side, on your legs, right by your, there is no bones in it, which is it was written in the books that you will eat to the very end of your life. For you working and working and working until you go back to the dust. That's what it means, the Lucifer, humans. Hi. This is what I said. The world is not what you think it is, and it is hidden. The truth in it is hidden in your eyes. As we hid the truth in you because of the darkness and the lie called evil in humanity. That's why you don't see the truth. You will see the truth once it's changed back to where it was when it was a city of gods. Humans. Sida, they called Hades, hid. Hid means hide. Hades is a horse. It's a horse's cage. That's what it means. Which is we have received fully the kiss because they weren't allowed, So we have except humans. Let's just say it's been back to the rightful owner. Tugdaw na ista ula hero guna ramen.